Hi guys, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I have taken one beautiful lesson on tips to develop your pronunciation skills. Today I shall try to elaborate how to develop our pronunciation skills. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Our main target is English pronunciation. How to pronounce English words properly. Okay? Like always, this is your Ramprosad sir, and I shall try to discuss on 25 English words which we commonly mispronounce. Okay, let's have a look. What is pronunciation? Pronunciation refers to the way a word or a language is spoken. Once again, I am telling you, pronunciation is nothing. It refers to the way a word or a language is spoken. Okay? It can also be defined as the accepted standard of sound and rhyme of words in a given language. Here we are speaking about English only. We have to speak along with the accepted standard, not in our own style only. We have to follow certain styles. Okay. In this lesson, I will give you 10 tips to improve your pronunciation skills. In my teaching life, I have found most of the students try to speak English. They speak also fluently, but there is little bit mistakes. Okay, so through this lesson, we shall try to develop, we shall try to improve, we shall try to beautify our pronunciation skills. Here are 10 steps, 10 beautiful tips for you. If you follow these steps, you will speak and you will pronounce English in a better way. Okay? So, let's see. First, decide on a variety of English. Here, I want to say that you have to follow certain variety, not all the varieties. Likewise, there are American accents, British accents, Japanese accents, but as we are Indian, we are Bengali, so we will have to follow certain accents. It is very difficult to follow all the varieties. So here I am requesting you, I am suggesting you to follow only single variety of English. It may be American, it may be British English. Okay. The second one, when you are going to pronounce a big word, a strong word, you should break the word down into sounds. Actually, I want to tell you about the syllables. You should divide the word into syllables and try to pronounce. It will give you some helping. Okay. Talk more slowly. While you are talking with someone, please talk slowly. No need to hurry. You should be very systematic. Okay. Number 4, imitate an English expert. That means I want to say you should have one idol. It may be one actor, one actress, it may be your teacher, it may be your newsreader, any anchor, anyone may be your idol. You have to imitate, you have to follow one's pronunciation. Okay. Number 5, practice your own. You have to give some time to yourself to practice it. Regularly you have to practice. It is not that you will speak sometimes with someone for a certain day and you will leave all those. This is not the way. You have to practice on your own regularly. Number 6, listen to yourself. It should be monologue. It may be monologue. You have to speak within yourself, on your own, and you have to listen. Okay? Watch yourselves. That means you must watch some movies on TV, anywhere. But watch yourselves and try to follow something. Find a practice buddy. Buddy means friend. You have to find your friend. Only alone we cannot improve our English pronunciation. We have to have our own friend with whom we can speak. Okay? Sing a song sometimes. It's also very important. I've seen most of my friends, most of my students try to sing English song. And it helps them to pronounce in a proper way. Okay? Practice English sounds. There are lots of sounds. Those who study in higher level, in their postgraduate level, graduate level, they follow all the grammar methods and sounds. So these are simple 10 tips to improve your pronunciation. Actually, what is pronunciation? What are there in pronunciation? Okay, actually pronunciation is nothing. It's all about sounds. How should we produce sounds of a particular word, particular language? Okay, where should we stress? That means word stress. Where to stress and where not to stress. Intonations, rhythm, spelling, sentence stress, strong and weak forms, phonetic scripts are all in pronunciation. Okay? Now, I shall try to show you 25 most common words where we make wrong pronunciations. So for this, I have chosen the first word, pronunciation. Let's see how it is pronounced actually.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay?
Pronunciation.
The second one is ball. Ball. Here we shall pronounce H, not W. Ball. Let's see the pronunciation.
Ball. Ball.
Okay?
Ball.
It's
Ball.
ball. Here, onion. Onion, not O. We have to pronounce as onion. Onion.
Onion. Onion. Onion. Onion.
Okay? Onion. Onion. Here, we have to pronounce as yet. Yet. C will be silent here. Okay? Yet. C and H both will come as W.
Yacht. 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 Yacht.
Okay? Now, for pronouncing this word, we pronounce it badly. Now, we have to pronounce it as Wednesday. 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 Okay? Let's understand the pronunciation.
Wednesday. 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 Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay? It's poem.
Poem. Poem. Poem. Poem.
Here, the word is monk. The word is monk. Let's understand the pronunciation.
Monk. monk, monk, monk,
Menu, menu. Okay, menu.
menu, 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 menu,
Buffet, buffet, buffet.
buffet, buffet, buffet,
Data, data, data.
data, data, data,
Second A will be pronounced in a long way. Data. Okay. Here, this one is cocktail, mojito, mojito, not J. We should not pronounce J. It will be mojito.
mojito, 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 mojito,
Here, this is most common word, but most often we pronounce it in a different way. It should be asthma, asthma.
asthma, 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 asthma,
Here, salon, salon, salon.
salon, 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 salon,
Okay. The next one is sweet, sweet, sweet.
sweet, 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 sweet,
Okay. Now this one, L is silent here, and the pronunciation is almond, almond, almond. L is totally silent.
almond, 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 almond,
Promotion, promotion.
promotion, 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 promotion,
Now this one, breakfast, 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 brick and fast.
breakfast, 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 breakfast,
Violin, violin.
violin, 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 violin,
Video, video.
video, 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 video,
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
pizza, 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 pizza,
Now this word, dengue, not this one. We have to pronounce as dengue.
dengue, 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 dengue,
This one, adobe, 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 adobe reader.
adobe, 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 adobe,
Here, subtract, subtract. S is silent. Subtract,
subtract, subtract, subtract, subtract, subtract, subtract,
coupon, coupon, coupon,
coupon, coupon, coupon, coupon, coupon, coupon,
debris, debris.
debris, debris, debris,
So, I have tried to pronounce 25 words only. There are lots of words. So, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe our channel. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and like our channel and share. Thank you very much for watching. We shall meet again in our next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.